Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Abdullah Rohawala from Zil College, Dhare Pune from TYC, Civil Engineering. Subject name Emerging Trends in Civil Engineering. Project guide is Mr. A.R. Bagadi sir. Group members Atharva Ronari, Prajwal Shinde, Abdullah Rohawala, Shubham Jagtap, Aman Ansari. Project title Working and Function of TBM. TBM, Tunnel Boring Machine. Introduction. A tunnel boring machine, TBM, also known as a mole, is a machine used to excavate tunnels with a circular cross-section through a variety of soil rock strain. They may also be used for micro-tunneling. They can also be designed to bore through anything from hard rock to sand. Tunnel diameters can range from 1 meter, 3.3 foot, done with micro TBMS, to 17-16 meters foot. To date, 50 tunnels of less than a meter or so in diameter are typically done using trenchless construction methods or horizontal direction drilling rather than TBMs. TBMs can also be designed to excavate non-circular tunnels, including a U-shaped or horseshoe and square or rectangular tunnels. Tunnels boring machines are used and alternatives to drilling and blasting T and B methods in rock, and conventional hard mining in soil. TBM has the advantage of limiting the disturbance to the surrounding grounds and producing a smooth tunnel wall. This significantly reduces the cost of lining the tunnel and makes them sustainable to use in heavy urbanized areas. The major disadvantage is the cost. TBMs an expensive construction can be difficult to transport the longer tunnel. The relevant cost of tunnel boring machine can versus drill and blast methods. This is because with drilling and TBM is much more efficient and result in short completion times, assuming they successfully fracture and shear rocks clear. Requirement of tunnel. It is very useful where bridge fails to fulfill requirements like in urban areas and in mountains. Second, efficiency compared to bridges. In war time, it is difficult to destroy a tunnel, but destruction of bridge is too easy. Lots of land and time is saved. History. This first successful tunnel shield was developed by Sir Mark Isambard Brunel to excavate the Thames Tunnel in 1825. However, this was only the invention of the shield concept and did not involve the construction of complete tunnel boring machine. The digging still have to be accomplished by the then standard excavation method. The first boring machine reported to have been built was Henry Joseph Mau's Mountain Slicer, commissioned by the King of Sardinia in 1845 to dig the French rail tunnel between France and Italy through the Alps. Maus had it built in 1846 in the arms factory in Turin. It consists more than 100 precious drills mounted in the front of locomotive-sized machine, mechanically powered, driven from the entrance of the tunnel. The resolution of the 1848 affecting the funding, and the tunnel was not completed until 10 years later by using innovation and less expensive methods such as pneumatic drills. Description. Hard rock TBM. In hard rock, either shielded open types TBMs can be used. Hard rock TBMs excavated rocks with disc cutters mounted in the cutter's head. The disc cutters create compressive stress fractures in the rocks, causing it to chip away from the tunnel face. The excavated rock's muck is transferred through openings in the cutter head to a belt conveyor, where it runs through the system of conveyor muck and removed from the tunnel. Soft ground TBMs. In the soft ground, there are three main types of TBMs: earth pressure balance machine (EBP), slurry shelled SS, and open phase type. Both types of closed machine operate like single shield TBMs using thrust cylinder to advance forward and by pushing off against concrete segments. Earth pressure balance machines are used in soft ground with less than 7 bar of pressure. The cutter's head does not use these cutters only, but instead of combination of tungsten carbide cutting bits, carbide disc cutters are drag picks and or hard rock disc cutters. Polymers and rope foam can be injected ahead of the face and to increase the stability of the ground. Additives can also be injected to cutter head extraction of screw to the ensure that spoil remains sufficiently cohesive to form a plug in the Archimedes screw to maintain pressure in the cutter head and restrict water flow through. Advantage of the TBM: structure, stability and safety at the face of the work area. Continuous, non-cycle and fast operation. Consist less skilled and easy trained operation. Safer and pleasant working environment at D&B. Less labor needed. Disadvantages of the TBM: high cost due to the need of supporting things such as conveyor belt, rail, slurry, separating plates, slurry pipelines, etc. High cost of associate suppliers, drill bits, TBM's cutter, blasting agents, etc. DBM excavation rates are 4 to 6 times higher than DNB excavation. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society. Redefining excellence.